So here is an insane AI productivity tool for work. In this video, I'll be using Reclaim AI. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Reclaim for free. So as you can see, we're currently in the website. Let's click on Pricing on the top to view all their plans available. They offer Light, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So you can check out their features and choose whichever plan you prefer. Now, let's go ahead and click on Login on the top. You can also book a demo or click on Get Started. But if you don't have an account, just click on my link in the description. So after login, I will select Continue with Google from here. And as you can see, I'm now logged in and in the main dashboard. We're currently in the Planner section. And here, you can view a calendar that you can customize. And here on the main screen, you can view the different activities listed on your calendar and schedule. You can click and drag each activity and change the timing according to your preference. So let's say I want to change the time of the birthday party. Here, if I drag it around, you will notice that the time listed here will change. Same way, you can make changes to all the activities on your calendar. Now, let's go over to the top right corner and click on this Create section. If you click on Create, you will see options for events, tasks, agents. So from here, let's say I want to create a task. Just click on Task from the options and you will get this pop-up. Here, you need to start off by putting in the name for your task. So let's go with Presentation Submission. After that, if you click on this icon, you can set the priority level for this task. Then, you need to set the start date and due date. After that, we have this duration section where you can set the duration for this task. Next, you can put in a note for this task if you want. You can also enable the Create Another option on the bottom if you want. For now, let's click on Create. After that, this task will be added to your Reclaim tasks. You will notice that the task is not added on the calendar on this page. If you go over to the right panel, you can see different sections over here. And the first one here is Chat. This is the Reclaim chat that you can use to have conversations with their AI bot. After that, we have Issues. This is where all your issues will be listed. Then, we have Tasks. This is where you can view all your tasks. You can use the search bar to search for different tasks, and under Now, you will find all the tasks you need to do right now. Also, you have this At-Risk section and the option to connect your first integrations. So here on Reclaim Tasks, you can view all the tasks that you have, and also the new one that we've just added. If the task is finished, you can just mark it as done. Or, if you start the task, it will show a timer just like this, and you need to complete the task in that time. If you want to make changes to the priority of this task, you can do so from this section right here. After that, just click on Review and Apply Changes on the bottom and select Apply Changes to confirm. Then all the changes will be applied to your task. Now, if you click on Create on the top and select Event, we will get this pop-up from where we can create an event. It looks similar to the task section, so we first need to start off by putting in a name, such as Team Meeting. After that, set the priority level, and then go through the timing section just like this. Set the date for the event, and then the start and end time. After that, if you click on Repeat, you can choose from any of these options. Then we have Attendees. Here, you can put in the emails of all the attendees you're expecting. You can also import your contacts from your email. Then we have this Calendar section where you can connect different calendars. So if you click on Add New, you can connect a different calendar if you want. And on video conferencing, you can connect with Google Meet or Zoom. Then we have the Location option and the option to add a conference room. So after going through all of that, just click on Create Event and it will be added onto your calendar just like this. This way, you can also create different activities like habits just by clicking on Habit under Agents. So here, you will get to see a lot of templates you can choose from. For example, Custom Work Habit. So if I click on it, it will be added onto the calendar just like this. You can then customize the timing by dragging it around on the calendar. And to customize it further, just click on Edit Event on the right side. Here, you can change the name of the event, and after that, you can change the priority level. Then change the start and end time just like this. Just go through the options and choose your desired ones. And here, for the repeat section, you can choose from any of these options just like we've done before. After that, you can set the work category and also set busy or free from the options. Then for visibility, choose according to your preference, and once done, select Update. So as you can see, it's now updated. Just click on Review and Apply Changes on the bottom. Then you can confirm by clicking on Apply Changes, and it will be applied onto your calendar. And that's it. This is the insane AI productivity tool for work.